Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KEF LS50 Wireless 2 speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting or not working, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your Bluetooth device, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this speaker up on a new network or on a new device, it's good to just get a fresh start by wiping off all of the pairing history and everything like that, which we can do really easily. We just need to come around to the back of the speaker and we actually just have a simple push button, reset button on the back. So what you'll do is you'll just need to push and hold the reset button and then just keep an eye on this light above the reset button. And when this button blinks, then you can go ahead and release the button and everything will have been wiped off of the speaker and you can go ahead and set it up as a new speaker. Super thanks for watching.